Once upon a time, in a cozy little house, lived a quick little mouse named Squeaky and a sleepy, plump cat named Mittens. Mittens loved to chase Squeaky, but Squeaky was always too fast and too clever. One chilly morning, Mittens was exploring the attic and accidentally got her paws stuck under a fallen plank. She meowed loudly, but no one heard her. Squeaky, hiding nearby, heard Mittens' distressed cries. He knew Mittens always chased him, but he also saw her fear. Taking a deep breath, Squeaky bravely scurried over. He gnawed at the wood, loosening the plank just enough for Mittens to pull her paw free. Mittens looked at Squeaky, surprised and grateful. She nudged him gently with her nose instead of chasing him. From that day on, Mittens never chased Squeaky again. They learned to share the house peacefully. Squeaky learned that even enemies can need help, and Mittens learned that kindness can come from the smallest of creatures. They lived side by side, no longer predator and prey, but simply housemates.